One last thing when talking about derivatives of logarithms. You'll remember the beginning of the year we talked about the logarithmic rules, which were, let's review them up here at the top. If I'm multiplying, then I can expand over addition. If I'm dividing, then I can expand with subtraction. And if I have an exponent, then that exponent can go out in front. So those are my 3 logarithmic rules. Now, it is far easier to differentiate logarithms if you apply the rules, then differentiate. You can differentiate this big gross thing, but you're going to need a product rule and a quotient rule and some chain rules, and it gets really gross really fast. So instead, we're going to rewrite this as an expansion. So I'm going to expand the top with my addition, turn that multiplication into addition, and then I'm going to turn this division into subtraction. And I'm even going to do one step further, because square root I could write as 2x plus 1 to the 1/2, and I can take that 1/2 out in front. Now, if I know y equals this, taking the derivative of all this is way easier. So when I take the derivative over addition, I just take it one step at a time. So derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. The 1/2 I can keep out, and then I take the derivative of ln of 2x plus 1. This is a chain rule, mama and baby situation, where I'm going to have 1 over the baby times the derivative of the baby, which is just going to be 2. And then minus, take the derivative of this last part. It's also going to be a chain rule, mama and baby situation, where I'm going to have 1 over the baby times the derivative of the baby. Now, I can simplify this. You don't need to, as we know at this point. Main reason I'm simplifying is because those 2's cancel, which make it kind of nice. Minus. And that's what we could end up with. Ta-da! Okay, let's try this one, example number 11. Use your rules from this unit to take the derivative of this one. I want you to try this on your own, and then come back and see how you did. Okay, so far I've got 1 over ln of 2. You take the ln of the base since it's not base e. And then 1 over the baby times the derivative of the baby. That's my chain rule right there. So this is y prime. Now I'm going to find y prime of 2. So this is going to be 1 over ln of 2 times 2 squared plus 1 times 2 times 2. So if I simplify this out, that gives me 4 over 5 ln of 2. Now, the reason I'm simplifying this out is to show you if this is a multiple choice example, your answer could be 4 over ln of 32. And that would be right. If this is a free response, you're good to leave it, you're done. If it's multiple choice, you would need to manipulate it a little bit more to get to this point. And here's how they did that. They did that log rule backwards, put that 5 up in the exponent, so I get ln of 2 to the 5th, and then 2 to the 5th is 32. So there you go. Okay, that is it for 3.2. Go ahead and get started on your assignment.